What is going on? Garrett here, back with another affiliate marketing training. Now in today's video, what we're going to take a look at is how to actually find a good affiliate marketing niche to promote products in. A lot of people online have been asking me, Garrett, I want to get started with affiliate marketing. I've been struggling in the past. How do I find a niche or topic that's actually going to pay me for months, if not years to come? Like, what's a good niche to go into? Well, if you've had that question, what I'm going to do in this video is break down exactly what you need to know in order to find a good niche, and then how to actually make sure it's profitable so you're not wasting your time, money, and effort on something that will never make you the money you truly want. Now, before I dive into this step-by-step process, if you're new to my channel and you never want to miss out on my latest affiliate marketing training videos, be sure to go down below, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest step-by-step training. But without further ado, I'm going to dive right into this, my friends. So, what is a niche, first off, if you don't know? Well, what a niche or niche, depending on where you are in the world, is basically a topic or interest that a large group of people share. Okay, so different interests could be, teaching dogs how to stop barking. Okay, it could be teaching people how to lose weight. It's basically a topic that helps people usually solve a problem. Because if you're wanting to sell products online as an affiliate marketer, what these products are basically doing is it's pretty much solving someone's problem. So the product is a solution to the problem they're having. And the bigger and more painful the problem, usually the easier it is to sell because they need it and it's urgent. So if I open up this document right here, the first question I want to get you thinking about is your passion. Okay, what is your current passion? And the way you can find that out is very simple. Ask yourself, what do you enjoy and spend free time doing? Maybe you have a job right now, maybe you're busy with family, but there's that thing that you get away from all the distractions and you focus on. Okay, that could be a potential niche that you go into, because if you're planning on possibly creating blog posts or doing YouTube videos or whatever the case may be, you want to make sure that at some level you actually enjoy it, or you're not going to stick with it and see this through to really start to create the income you truly want. Okay, so what do you enjoy and spend free time doing? You may think, oh, I enjoy mixed martial arts. You may think, I enjoy golf. I enjoy, working out, lifting weights. Whatever the case may be, start to think about that. Okay, now that may not be the exact niche you want to go into. I'm going to walk you through a little bit more questions to make sure it is a good niche, but you want to start thinking about that. The next thing you can think about is, what do you naturally teach people? Okay, so chances are you may have some friends or family in your life, and maybe you find yourself giving advice to them. Maybe they come to you and maybe you're really, fit, and they're always asking you, hey, like, how do you know what to eat? What's a good nutritional meal? Or maybe you're always teaching people how to lift weights, or, how to improve, in video games. Okay, maybe your friends are like, wow, like, why, how are you so good at doing these video games? Whatever the case may be, start to think about what you naturally teach people, okay? Because this can point you to a niche that you may want to go into. See, a lot of times what we're actually doing when it comes to affiliate marketing is we're giving out information, we're teaching advice, and then basically we're leading that person to a product to find out more information on the advice that we initially taught. So if you do a blog post and you teach, let's say you decide, hey, I always give people health advice and how to lift weights. Well, you could do a blog post basically teaching people, your top 5, chest workouts. And then at the end, you could say, hey, if you want to discover a full course on how to actually work out your entire body, check out this link. And then you could link them to an affiliate product to make a commission and money into your bank account. Okay, so that's another thing you want to think. What do you naturally teach? Now, what you want to realize is there's some things to make sure of when you start to answer these questions, because, it's great if you just think, oh, I love eating donuts, okay? And, there may not be, a lot of money in the donut niche as far as an affiliate marketer goes, okay? So here's some things to make sure, and I'm going to walk you through how to actually answer these to make sure this is a good niche for you to go into. Number one is you want to make sure that this niche or niche isn't showing a decrease in interest. Okay, so different topics over time, sometimes they really peak, sometimes they fall off, okay? So you want to make sure that there isn't a decrease over time. And the way you do that is you can go to a free tool called Google Trends, okay? Google Trends. If you go to this site, what I want you to do is I want you to type in one of the topics that you started to get answers from, when you thought about your passion or you thought about what you naturally teach people, you can type that in. So let's say you naturally teach people yoga, okay, for some random, just example. What you would do is type that in, or maybe your passion is yoga, okay? So what you could do is you can type this in and you can actually see, now this is the past 12 months, okay? You want to look at it over, at least a year time, and you want to see, is this line going down? Okay, now it's even better if it's actually going up because there's an increase in interest. So a lot more people are going to be looking for answers and you can provide those solutions. But what you want to avoid is if a line is going down, because that shows that if you start producing YouTube videos or content, you're probably going to be wasting your time over months because it's not going to be lasting, okay? See, if we look at fidget spinners, okay, fidget spinners, if you don't know, are basically, it was like a toy that was very popular recently. But if you see this, okay, you can see that it is drastically going down, okay? So this is not a topic you would want to go into. Now, another thing you want to keep in mind is you want to make sure, this is crucial, people are already buying products around this topic, because the worst thing you want to do is start to produce videos and stuff like that and realize these people aren't even buyers. So to make money with affiliate marketing, we're promoting products and you want to find buyers, okay? So there's a couple places you can go to research this. Number one is Amazon, okay? You can go to Amazon.com. You can actually go to the book category. And on the left, you're going to see all these different sub niches, okay? So arts and photography, biographies, business and money, children's books. These are different niches that are basically showing that there's books in, okay? And if there's books in, that means that people are actually spending money. Now, I would still open up some of these and make sure that it looks like there's quite a few books, because that shows, there's a good interest. But there's actually another way you can really find specifically for affiliate marketing, and that is if you go to clickbank.com, which is one of the leading affiliate marketing networks. I actually just created a video on how to actually sign up for affiliate marketing networks. I'll pop a card on right now if you want to actually go to that video. But on the left, you'll see categories. Now, these are different niches or niches you can actually find products in. And you want to make sure that you see the product or the niche rather that you started to think about in one of these categories, because if you don't, I would avoid it because it's not going to be that profitable. So let's say you thought about, okay, bodybuilding or lifting weights was maybe your passion. Well, I would go to health and fitness and I would make sure, okay, so let's see, men's health, exercise and fitness, okay, I would make sure there's at least a few products that are selling. Okay, lean body hacks. Okay, and it looks like, there is quite a few different products. Okay, there's at least 23 pages. So this is a good niche that you could go into, because if you find affiliate products, that means that they're pretty good, they're selling well, and you can have a chance to make money. Now, there's just one more thing I want to share with you before I get out of here on this video, and that is if you're still struggling, maybe you are, you're looking this up and you're still kind of like, I don't know what topic to go into. There's actually 3 evergreen niches that are basically, what that means is these niches will never go away. They're always relevant. And what these are is health, wealth, and relationships. So if you find a product that is either related to someone's health, related to wealth as far as growing their wealth, saving money, making money, or relationships, dating, family, these things, people will always have to improve their health, they'll always improve their wealth, and they'll always want to improve their relationships. So if you find a topic in these categories, chances are that's going to be a great sign that you can go into and make money with. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed learning how to find good affiliate marketing niches. If you did and you got value, be sure to click the like button so I know to make more. Also, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon below if you never want to miss out on my latest step-by-step affiliate marketing training. And last but not least, my friend, if you're watching this and you want to learn exactly how to create an affiliate marketing business from A to Z in complete detail, be sure to click the first link in the description to check out my #1 recommended system. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.